Could that packet of artificial sweetener you're stirring into your morning coffee be a ticking time bomb for your health? Recent studies have thrown a spotlight on erythritol, a commonly used artificial sweetener, and the findings are enough to make anyone sit up and take notice. Erythritol, a sugar alcohol found in many sugar-free and low-calorie products, has been applauded for its zero-calorie content and its ability to not spike blood sugar levels. However, these same studies are now indicating a potential dark side to this popular sweetener. A flurry of research has surfaced, suggesting a possible link between erythritol and a rise in the occurrence of blood clots. Blood clots, as many of you may know, can lead to potentially life-threatening conditions such as stroke and heart attacks. The health world is abuzz with these findings, and many are now questioning the safety of erythritol and other artificial sweeteners. It's important to clarify that these studies are preliminary and more research is needed to draw definitive conclusions. However, the potential risks highlighted cannot be ignored and warrant a closer look by scientists and health enthusiasts alike. In this deep dive into the world of artificial sweeteners, we've examined the recent concerns surrounding erythritol. We've discussed the studies that suggest a link between erythritol and an increased risk of blood clots, a potentially dangerous health issue. We've also highlighted the need for further research to fully understand the implications of these findings. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand about what we're putting into our bodies, the better choices we can make for our health. So the next time you reach for that packet of artificial sweetener, you might want to think twice, because, as these recent studies suggest, it might be a whole lot more than just a sweet deal. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.